Tiramisu comes from the Italian tiramisu, which means pick me up for Valentine's, for a Christmas party, or for a special dinner with our families. This cake is definitely the road from ordinary to extraordinary. The boldness of adding a double portion of mascarpone for the cream, or the journey from one layer of lady fingers to many lady fingers. It's the daring of adding cinnamon in the cocoa cover, the madness to start from a bit of liquor and end up by adding some extra vodka to improve your mood. Like any long-lasting relationship, the lady fingers need to spend some time surrounded by the liquor and espresso flavors before getting to its full potential, completely soaked and moisturized. Patience is the key. Embrace the flavor and celebrate your special moment, your great occasion. And remember, for more recipes full of flavor and taste, subscribe to our channel.